गोंयांतल्या नायजेरियनांची वागणूक सारकी ना, तांची रावपाची पद्दत, तांच्या वागणुकीचो गोंयकारांक त्रास जाता म्हूण मुख्यमंत्री पार्सेकार उलोवन गेला. एका नॅशनल न्यूज चॅनला कडेन पार्सेकार ही उतरां उलयलो आनी खवदळ पडलो. सध्या आफ्रिका आनी भारता मदीं वांशीक भेदभावाचेर तणावाचें वातावरण आशिल्ल्यान पार्सेकारान पेत्रोल घाल्ले भशेन जालें.
Generally, people in Goa are not happy with these people. The Goans in general are complaining about these foreigners, or else we get people from all other countries. But in general, the people of Goa are very much annoyed with their behavior, with their attitude, with their way of life. And therefore Nigerians, because on many occasions I hear complaint against Nigerians. Let us see what comes out of this complaint after he is brought back to Goa.
प्रुडंटान पार्सेकाराक गाठलो. तो म्हणटा, नायजेरियनांचो उपद्रव गोंयकारांक जाता हें खरें. गोंयकार उलयतात तेंच आपूण उलयलां.
तूं म्हटलें की लोक एनॉय जाता.
साधारणपणे नायजेरियनाचेर लोक नाराज असतात हे हांवें अशें म्हटलां इन जनरल. बाकी फॉरेनर्सांचेर न्हय, नायजेरियनाचेर लोक मातशे नाराज असतात. तांचे थोडेसो एटिट्यूड वेगळो आसता अशें म्हाका दिसता. हें अशें हांव म्हटलां.
बेकायदेशीरपणान रावपी, बेकायदेशीर कामां करपी भायल्या फॉरेनरांक डिपोर्ट करपाक गोंयांत डिटेन्शन सेंटर उबारपाचो सरकाराचो बेत चल्ला.
ते डिपोर्टेशन जे आसा पळय ते इल्लिगल जे हातून असतात आनी इल्लिगली जे अरेस्ट जातात कितें जातात आनी कायम हांगा रावच्या परस डिपोर्टेशन करप. ना कांय जाल्लें ना. वी हॅव टू लूक आउट फॉर वन सेंटर. जागा एकोमोडेशन करूंक जाय. खंयची तरी एका तरी जागा कन्वर्ट करूंक जाय डिपोर्टेशन.
काँग्रेसीन पार्सेकाराक नेमकोच उतराक धरलो.
That Goa Chief Minister has issued a controversial statement. We all remember how he issued a statement where all the nurses losing marriage prospects if they stood in the sun. Misogynist remarks as also controversial remarks are order of the day for BJP leaders. First General VK Singh, now Goa Chief Minister belonging to Bharatiya Janata Party are passing disparaging remarks against people from African continent and African nations including Nigeria. Don't they realize that we have a historical relationship with the entire African continent, including the freedom struggle which Mahatma Gandhi led in South Africa?
बीजेपी मात पार्सेकाराच्या फाटल्यान रावल्या. गोंयांत ड्रग्सांचो उपद्रव आसा म्हूण खंय एक वेळ पार्सेकार ते उलयला जावये.
But I think we need to understand two fundamental points. One is that nobody is for any kind of racism. Nobody subscribes to anyone taking law into their hands, beating anybody, whether the person belongs to any part of India, has different facial features, etc. That is one aspect, and the other being even foreign nationals who are in India. But I think we need to understand the history of Goa, where you've had a lot of cases of complaints of Nigerians selling drugs, of Nigerians, nationals who have been on the radar of the police in Goa vis-a-vis all kinds of atrocities, whether it is financial fraud, whether it is drug abuse, or whether it is misuse of power.
इतले मजगती ज्या नायजेरियनाक लागून हो वाद सुरू जालो ते नायजेरियन कॅनिथाचेर आसगांव बलात्कार आड बलात्काराचे प्राथमीक पुरावे मेळ्ळ्यात. तो उपद्रवीच ह्याच कॅनेथाक 2013 हायवे आडावन धुडगूस घालो म्हूण पोलिसांनी धरिल्लो. व्हिजा सोंपूनय बेकायदेशीर गोंयांत रावला म्हणूनय ताजेर हे पयली केस जाल्या.
Rape case is registered at MAPSA 128-4, 2016. The complainant lady, who married to a Nigerian, she alleged that she was forcibly taken on a scooter by the accused, Kenneth. Kenneth, he is also a Nigerian, to a place in Asagaon, and she was forcibly raped. So this case was registered at MAPSA police station in the evening. Thereafter the complainant lady was referred for the medical. Meantime all efforts were on to trace the accused, but this Kenneth, the accused, was not traced. but we were monitoring their calls and location. Finally, we found that he was traveling by a train towards Mumbai. So with the Panvel police, he was intercepted at Panvel railway station, and meantime our Mapsa police team also reached and brought him to Goa. Presently he is on 3 days police custody remand from yesterday. We have monitored their mobile calls, and it is found that though both of them had acquaintance, they knew each other and they had exchanged, because there were incoming and outgoing calls between both the mobiles. So we are analyzing the data further for the investigation. Rape victim and accused both have been medically examined, report also have come. And now investigation is going on further to find more evidence so that this case can be charge sheeted. Medical report is there, no recent for our case report is favorable.
मुख्यमंत्री पार्सेकारान गोंयांतल्या नायजेरियनांची वागणूक आनी उपद्रवाचो अणभव घेतल्या उपरांतच हें वक्तव्य केलां. मागीर नायजेरियनांचो ड्रग्स वेव्हारांतलो वावर आसूं, पर्वरे रस्तो आडोवन केल्लो धिंगाणो आसूं वा मोर्जे हरमल हे सारकेल्या दर्यादेग गांवांनी रावपी नायजेरियनांची दादागिरी आसूं, नायजेरियनांचो गोंयाक उपद्रव कमी ना हें खरें. प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर लौकीक शिलकार, व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट ओंकार फळारी आनी चेतन गवस.